Bitcoin today on a Thursday. I hope you guys out there doing well. Yesterday was quite a crazy day. The market went up and down. It's like a kangaroo market, I would say. Well, the reason was pretty simple because McCarthy and Biden, they both made statements that it's most likely that by Sunday they have a solution for the debt ceiling problems. Who knows? Let's check the market. The reaction from the market. Well, market reacts green. All the share prices up. It's a crazy world. We will see what the result on Sunday will be. Quick check. Rate hike expectations, no change. Expectations by the end of the year, still no change. Market beliefs because of reduction in inflation, we will see 2% decrease in interest rates. Quick check on the gold price. Well, people are not so scared anymore now. What a crazy world. Gold price went down to 1975. This is crazy. Maybe in the next week it's going to be different, but that's what it is. Here we come to the Bitcoin. We were yesterday down to $26,000. Reason were people were scared. They didn't know what the talks will be about the debt ceiling because it's a major problem. Yesterday, the U.S. had only $87 billion deficit on a daily basis, $10 billion. So Yellen said, we are running out of cash. We need a solution because the economy, well, quite a crazy thing. But anyway, solution is on the horizon, and the Bitcoin recovered to 27,399, but for a long time. As you guys know, we go sidewise. Market capitalization, we are still on 12. The $530 billion, quite stable. We quickly check the block time, heart of the Bitcoin. It's 790318. What is important? We are under 300,000 unconfirmed actions. In the moment, 278,782. So the network is very stable. We had the problem with BRC20 meme token, and we had too many unconfirmed actions, and that's not good for the blockchain. So, but everything seems to be okay in the moment. Bitcoin halving clock, like every day, 325 days. April 7 is birthday. Well, you can open the champagne. Another 11 months to go, and you guys know. We work very hard on the prediction, what's going to happen, and we will quickly come to a new model. Okay, we have something new for you guys. I often said that our technical team in the background is working very hard to create new methods. We have already a lot of methods. In order to get more precise in predicting the price of Bitcoin in the future. This is what we are working on, by the way. And we do this very much on a mathematical base and on all types of things. And there's one thing I want to show you now, which is absolutely new for us. It's called the Wyckoff method. We didn't invent the Wyckoff method. Wyckoff was a guy, he lived 100 years ago. He was a very successful stock trader in the United States on the Wall Street. And he had this idea that market goes in wave, oversold, overbought. Well, we all know this. But he went one step further because he developed really a model with so-called distribution area and accumulation area. So this is basically what he did. And I don't want to go too much further into it because in the next couple of days, stay tuned. We are working to get this interactive because what we do is we have a Bitcoin real data, not today, but we will have them in the next couple of days. And we can compare them with this schematic because the idea of this schematic, and I quickly want to explain it to you, is the Wyckoff accumulation cycle is the time when dominant traders manipulate the market to take positions from small traders. So this was the time when we had the $60,000, the $69,000, when we had the heights. Now, we are obviously in the bottom area. After gaining the string positions, these dominant traders, I would say the whales, would sell their positions during the Wyckoff distribution cycle. So this is what it's all about. And as I just said, we are working now to get a strong comparison between the model and the reality. And as you can see already, we are not really up to the point where we are already, but you can see a very strong convergence between the two things, and here we will work on it, and we will keep you informed. Why is this important? According to the Wyckoff, in phase E, the new bull run starts, and as we have a lot of other models, and we compare all our models, this will be a new indicator for us to understand what the future could be. And here we come to our technical indicators. Fear and greed. We are in the middle zone, not much change. What is very nice today, the heat map, it's basically all green, not only BTC, dominance over 48%. Often I said it, future market is on the downside. Last couple of days, we virtually didn't see any liquidations. That's a good thing because the spot market is growing over 47 million active wallets. That's a very good sign. Okie doke. Google Trends, more or less a downtrend. Well, there is no interest in the United States. It's all driven by Europe. Volume still very low. And now we come to the trend following indicators. And this is really good because a couple of days, this is on a daily basis, we have a breakout to the downside on the lower line, the red line from the Bollinger Bands, but we recovered towards the blue line. That's good. Anyway, we have a long downtrend, and we have a good chance, because twice we have been rejected here, we have a good chance to see here in the next couple of days a bullish crossover. And that would mean price could go up. Also, RSI 43%, so we are definitely not overbought. Good chance to accumulate, maybe one of the last chances to accumulate, because we are only 11 months away from the halving, and it's going to be 10, 9, 8, well, the countdown is running. Anyway, momentum indicator says not much movement. But this is really crazy. This is our major model we developed last year in October. And since October, the reality, the real price in our model has virtually not a big difference. We are only $166 away from the real price. Really amazing. Why is this important? Because this model is based on history cycles, says, well, target price will be $41,000 for the next halving. Second model says $43,000, but we are moving more on the lower side, and then we will see a strong uptrend to the end. Basically, that's what it is. Fibonacci, we are still in the nowhere zone, 50%. We need to see the breakout to the golden box, 61.8. 50 days, 200 days average. Well, it's a bit flat in the moment. But anyway, since February, we had the strong signal that bull market can start. Okie doke. Finally, we have a look to the miner, like every day. And it's very simple. The miners, the value of the miners made 820% since last halving, and the Bitcoin 219. This is 4 times more. Good possibility to make money by investing into shares from the miners and not in the Bitcoin directly. Also, you don't have to hassle around with ledgers and passwords and exchanges and stuff like that. Okay, you guys. Stay tuned with the Wyckoff method, because every day we will give you new information. It's a very strong additional tool to understand the future. I hope it was valuable information. It would be great to see you tomorrow again. Thanks and bye-bye.